Alright, so this is the front of the portable AC unit, and I just kind of want to zoom in for you and show you there's something growing in there. Today I'm giving you my 1-year experience with the Midea Duo invertible portable AC, because after using this daily for a year, there are some things I think every buyer should know. If you just want to skip ahead to the meat and potatoes of this video, or you're just looking for a specific topic, I've included chapters below for your convenience. Quick disclaimer, this portable air conditioner was purchased with my own money, and this video is not sponsored. To be absolutely clear, this isn't just about Midea or any one product. This is about portable air conditioners as a whole. In fact, I think Midea is crushing it lately when it comes to appliance innovation. They are leading the way with inverter technology, which makes units quieter and more energy efficient. But let's talk about the Midea Duo Portable AC and what makes it stand out. Number one is going to be the Duo hose-in, hose design. This is Midea's big innovation, and it's smart. It brings air in and pushes air out, all from outside. That means no negative pressure and less hot air sneaking in through the cracks and doors. Number two is going to be inverter technology. This unit doesn't blast on and blast off like older ones. It runs variable speed, saving up to 40% more energy than traditional models. Number three, fast and strong cooling. Because of the dual hose setup and improved airflow, it cools the room twice as fast and more evenly than standard models. This unit is rated for 12,000 BTUs. However, in my opinion, it doesn't cool anywhere near as close as my 12,000 BTU window unit. Not scientific, just personal experience. Number four is going to be smart control. Wi-Fi connectivity, app control, Alexa, Google Assistant, it's all built in. Control your AC from anywhere, even your bed. So yes, there's a lot to like here. When I first bought the Midea Duo, I was genuinely happy. The cooling was decent, the app worked great, rolling it around was way easier than lifting a window unit. But now, after a year, here's the part no one really talks about. Portable air conditioners are mold traps. Like this whole entire unit, like not Midea in general, but like regular portable air conditioners, just think of like a moisture trap. You have the front and back panel that I took off, which is essentially just trapping moisture in this thing. Even if you follow the manual, drain the water, clean the filters, run in fan mode, it's not enough. I took mine apart and found visible mold on the blower fan, and I also found it on a separate section growing bubbles. Alright, check out the mold on this. And right here, this is funky. And if I hadn't looked, I would never have known. There were no obvious signs until it started to smell a little musty. Here's the problem. You have to fully open the unit up just to check for mold. And even then, it might still be growing in areas you can't see. So right here we have the radiator coils on the top that the filter goes over. So if you clean the filter, that will keep this clean. But there's also a second section down here. And there's already stuff starting to grow on the coils here. And I think a lot of that has to do with the tray of water on the bottom. Like you could see stuff collecting down in there. Like if I try to move the camera down a little bit, there's just so much area for moisture to just collect and breed mold. The blower wheel, evaporator coils, air ducts are all areas where moisture builds up and mold loves to hide. And it doesn't stop there. The exhaust hose. It can trap warm, moist air and grow mold if you're not cleaning and drying it regularly. Most manuals just say to drain the water and run fan mode. But if you are not actively checking and disinfecting the internals, the moisture turns into a hidden health hazard. So if you have asthma, allergies, or just care about clean air in general, know that regular disassembly and deep cleaning is almost a requirement with these types of AC units. So should you buy this? If you want portability, smart features, and quiet operation, yes, it performs well. But if you're not ready to tear the unit open every season or breathe in whatever it might be growing inside, you need to think twice. Again, I just want to reemphasize, this is not just about any one brand, especially Midea. This applies to all portable air conditioners. It's a design limitation across the entire category. I still respect what Midea is doing, and I'm excited to share more on their Cube dehumidifier. The Midea Cube dehumidifier is one of my favorite home upgrades. It pulls serious moisture, and with the massive bucket, I rarely have to empty it. Video on that coming soon. If you'd like to check out a powerful 12,000 BTU window air conditioner, I recommend go ahead and check out and take a look at the next video. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.